Is it a good chair? Do you like it? They already look kind of antique-y. A wee bit. I like them. It makes me really happy.
They're certainly not as much, but yeah, you've moved a lot of stuff out of the room as well.
Yeah.
Not bad. Quite a small back.
It doesn't have to be a big bag, does it?
No, it doesn't.
Plus
Just
we've got languishing chairs now.
Yeah. Was that flattering camera angle you've got under there?
Yay! I'm flashing camera angles.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Ah, weird back.
I think I made a good choice.
No, they looked the part. They definitely looked the part. They go well, good colours, you know.
They didn't have a purple tartan.
I mean, it's not really. Well, it's sort of tartan, but yeah, I mean, it looks like tartan. Like.
Definitely tartan.
Feels like an approximation of tartan.
No, it's definitely tartan. I don't know if there is a breed of tartan to which it belongs, but
I don't think so. No. I think it's made up as
yeah.
to look like tartan, if you know what I mean. Like it's tartan style and pattern. Like, but it's good. Yeah, it's good. Like, yeah, I cool. I need a bit of a fidget to make it fit sort of properly. Okay, cool.
Yes.
Okay, good.
New chairs.